welcome to the Grace Life DIY home decor. So this is quick and easy meals. I'm going to be using, okay, this mozzarella cheese is not open, but the pizza sauce, okay, is open, and I want to use the rest of the sauce. I also have some leftover pepperoni, so let's see what we can do, guys. Okay, so now I also, these were already thawed out, so we're gonna put these to use. So, are you guys guessing what I'm already making? And I'm so excited. So, let me get these things open. Okay, so we have some turkey pepperoni there. I just opened the mozzarella cheese. And let me go ahead and get this open and I'll be back. Okay, so we're gonna place one of the discs here. Okay, I don't know if I said that to you before. These empanada discs were already thawed out, so we need to use these things. Okay, in them, I'm gonna place some mozzarella cheese. Okay, that's probably a lot. I don't know how I'm gonna make these. Let's see. And then we're gonna put some, I think I'm gonna place another disc on top because these are so small. So we're gonna take a tablespoon of the sauce and then we're gonna put 2 pepperoni. Okay. And then we're gonna put another disc on top. Let's try it. Okay, we'll put another disc on top, and then I'll get a fork and we'll pinch it together that way. Let's see how. Okay. I tried to use this, but the discs need to be bigger in order for me to use this, and that's why I just went ahead and just decided to do it this way. So. Then we're gonna pinch that all the way around. And we're just gonna keep going with this. Okay, and then as you can see, I have the pan here. So these are so cute. They look like little pies, and we're just gonna place them there. Let's make one more on camera, and I'll make the rest off camera. They really should be folded over, but they're not that big. So we'll start out with one. We'll start out with cheese. Okay. Then we'll start out with a tablespoon of sauce. All right. And then 2 pepperoni is good. So you bring 10 discs, so you're not gonna get very many, but I like the idea. Okay, we'll place this right over. Okay, and then I pinch all the way around. So I have the 2 dogs literally staring at me. Matthew will like these. Actually, these make some nice little like appetizers. They're not that big. Okay, and we pick this up and we place this in the pan. I'm gonna go ahead and make the rest of them and we'll move on from there. So here's what I decided to do. I'm gonna see, let's try to do this folding it over. So I think I did. So obviously I gotta go smaller. I just wanna see if I can do this, folding it over. So we have 2 already done like a pie. I'll do a small teaspoon of that. And I think I still can do the 2 pepperoni. Let's see. It's the folding it over, you don't want it to come out. So I probably should have tried rolling this out. Okay, let's try to see if we can pinch this. I think one pepperoni would have been enough, but let's try to see if we can pinch this. See, so this one pepperoni is not sitting still. All right, now we're gonna pinch this. Well, this is a neat idea, guys, to, this of course, really didn't fit. I don't know. Let's see how this comes out. And I'd rather get more of these than less. And you can use these as an appetizer. So I brought you back to show you that I was going to do the rest like this. So this one is only going to get one pepperoni. Okay, so we're going to do pinch of cheese. Okay. Actually, I was going to do them all cheese, but then when I saw I had this sauce left, I just said, why not use it? So I'll do one pepperoni, then we'll fold it over. I think that works out better. And then pinch. Alright, and then this one will go here. Now I'm going to continue on with the rest of them that way. And we have the two that look like a pie. Let's see how these come out. These would be great for a charcuterie board. Okay, so I cleaned up the mess, and this is what's left over. So I think I'm gonna do them like this, but these look kind of cute too, these round ones here. I'm gonna go ahead and spray them with some butter spray. I was gonna do an egg wash, but we're gonna do the butter spray. The oven is already set at 350 degrees, and we're going to put them in there for 25 minutes. And then I'll bring you back for the reveal. Okay, so look at this. I just took them out of the oven. I think they look great, and yes, I placed them on a charcuterie board. I think this is great. Like if you want to have bite-sized pizza, we're just going to go ahead and cut into one. Let's do this one. Let's just do this one. I'm so excited to taste it. Now I bake these. Normally I fry them. But this is what that's looking like. It's too hot, so I can't taste that right now. I probably could have squeezed in some more cheese, but other than that, guys, I think it looks amazing. Nice bite-sized little pizza empanadas. So that looks great. I hope you enjoyed the video as much as I enjoyed creating it for you. If you liked the video, click like, share, and comment. Don't forget to subscribe, guys, and don't forget to hit that notification bell so that you can get notified each and every time I upload a video. Have an amazing day, and I'll see you in the next one. God bless you guys. Amen. Yes.